Dear parents, welcome to music class. During music class, the students are required to have a pianika to be their instrument focus. For this activity, we are going to practice the Lavender's Blues song from Alfred Adult Level 1. Please make sure that they have the number on their tooth as their guidance, like this. Please make sure that they only use the pointer finger on the right hand because this is the easiest way on how to play pianika at their age. It's gonna be like this.